Hi, 1 Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to set up a Ring Smart Light Bulb. So the Ring Smart Light Bulbs require a Ring bridge. Now this Ring bridge is also compatible with other Ring Smart devices like Ring Smart Plugs or Ring Outdoor Lighting. And what it allows you to do is remotely control this light bulb through the Ring bridge on your app, the same app as, let's say, a Ring doorbell or Ring security system. And then what's really neat about it is you can have your lights tied to your security system and doorbell. So when, for instance, motion is detected, the light will come on. So we're going to get started getting this Ring bridge set up first, and then we're going to get that light bulb connected so we can control it from our phone using Wi-Fi through the bridge. And this will work for any of the Ring Smart Lighting products that require the bridge, and or any of the Ring Smart Plugs that also require this bridge. So there's landscape lights as well and some outdoor lighting. So we'll get this set up. The first step is to connect the Ring bridge to the Ring app. So if you haven't done so already, you're going to need to download the Ring app, set up a username and password, and open it up. So we've done that. We created an account on the Ring app. And what we're going to do is go in the upper left-hand corner on the menu button here, and we're going to click on Set Up a Device. Now we've got some different options here: doorbells, security cams, mailbox sensors, and what we are setting up is smart lighting. So I'm going to click this one right here. It says, where would you like to set up your Ring product? And if you don't already have a location input, you're going to need to do that now, and I'm going to click Continue. In order to get this set up, there is a QR code on the back, so we're going to scan that QR code using the camera on the phone right now. Once the QR code is scanned, this is the next screen that pops up. It says, find a nice spot for your new Ring bridge. Choose an area with strong Wi-Fi, such as the room that holds your router. We've got good Wi-Fi signal where we're going to install this, so I'm going to click Continue. It says plug in your bridge and wait for it to power on. So you've got the power adapter that comes with the device. Just plug that in, and you've got a little power port on the front of the device, and then it will power up. We plug the device in, and you can see there's a blue light on here. So I'm going to click Bridge is on. Wait for the Ring bridge to enter setup mode. When you see a blue light flashing on your bridge, continue to the next step. We've got a green light right now, so we'll wait till we get that blue. It took about a minute for the Ring bridge to go from a flashing yellow light to a flashing blue light after I plugged it in. So I could just click here, the blue light is flashing. However, if you're having issues with this and it isn't flashing blue, you're going to need to use the setup button over here on the side and put a paper clip in there and then hold that down, and it's going to get it to a blue flashing light. So I'm going to go back here, and it says the blue light is flashing, and I'm just going to move forward with the next step. But if you're having issues, click that little button there with a paper clip or something small that you can get in that hole. It says, when prompted, connect to the Ring Wi-Fi network. I'm going to click Got it. Now we select our Ring device, and it will start connecting. Scanning for available Wi-Fi networks. Here we choose our Wi-Fi network. Now we enter our password. The Ring bridge is connecting to our Wi-Fi network. The Ring bridge connected to our Wi-Fi network and was preparing for use. Now it's just updating the firmware. So it takes about 10 minutes. Don't unplug your Ring bridge now, and we'll be back as soon as the 10 minutes is up and the software is updated. It took about 10 minutes for the Ring bridge to update. It says success. Your Ring bridge is now connected. Would you like to set up another Ring Smart Lighting product? So now we're ready to get our Ring light bulb set up. So I'm going to click on Set Up Ring Smart Lighting. It says scan the code on your Ring product. So I'm just going to scan the QR code that's on the side of the Ring Smart Light Bulb. So we were having a hard time to get the code to scan. So we're going to click Setup Without Scanning. And then we need to select our device. So we're going to scroll down until we find what we're selecting, which is a A19 smart bulb. So we're going to click on that right there. And then we're going to click Continue. Now we need to enter the PIN code on the device. Now we need to click Got It. Now we need to turn on our Bluetooth. Here it gives us a warning, don't install your Ring smart bulb in a fixture featuring a motion or light sensor, timer, or dimmer. If installing this bulb outdoors, mount it in a fixture that is protected from water. I'm going to click Got It. Looking for your A19 smart bulb, so we're going to screw this in while we get it set up. We screwed in our Ring smart light bulb, and now we need to turn the power on so that it can find the bulb. We've got the power on, and then it will start looking for the A19 or Ring smart light bulb because we've got the Ring bridge already set up. In order to get the Ring smart light bulb installed and set up, you have to make sure that your Ring bridge is already set up, working, and connected to the internet. Okay, it says installing an update. So I'm just going to move the phone away from the light bulb while we get this set up so that we can better see what's going on. It says your A19 smart bulb needs to download the latest and greatest software. Please sit tight while this takes place. Keep your phone close to the device during this process. We did. And now the light bulb just flashed on and off, which I assume means that the update worked or that it's resetting while it's doing the update. So we'll hold tight while this gets updated and installed. It says learn about light grouping. Ring lighting products work together in groups. This lets you control multiple lights as one and have sets of lights turn on or off when one of them detects motion. For more on light grouping, watch the video above. We're going to skip for now. And then let's give this a name. We're going to call this one Entry. And click Done. And it says connecting your A19 smart bulb to your Ring bridge. It says get to know your new smart bulbs. Now, something to note is that sometimes you'll get an error message after the update happens on your light bulb, and it won't want to connect to the bridge. What needs to happen then is just turn off your light bulb and then go back to the screen where we clicked set up a new device for when we started setting up the light bulb, and just turn the light bulb back on. Sometimes when it updates, you just need to let the device reset and turn itself back on, and then it will connect. So if you're having that issue, go back to the screen where we clicked the plus symbol and then selected a light bulb for setup, and then turn on and off your light and turn it back on and leave it on, and you should be able to get it to work. Now we're going to click Got It. Now connected. Your A19 smart bulb has been added to the Ring app. I'm going to click I'm done, and let's see if we can use this. Click Continue. If we want to create a schedule, we can do so, but I'm just going to skip that for now. And it says refine your settings anytime. I'm going to click I'm done. So let's see if our light is working here. And we've got our entry light right here, so I'm going to turn that on and I'm going to turn that off. And you can see that it turned on and it turned off, probably by the lighting that has changed here. But let's get this right in front of it so you can see what is happening in real time. We can turn it on and we can turn it off. Now, what's really neat about these, and I think what the value proposition of this light bulb is that you could set it on a schedule so that it turns on at a certain time of day and off at a certain time of day. But what I think is really cool is that you can set this up to work with your other Ring devices like a Ring doorbell and automatically turn on when motion is detected. And that's what's really neat, is that you could have this light bulb so that it turns on when motion is detected, so then it acts as a motion activated light with your doorbell, but it also increases the value of the footage that you're getting with your Ring doorbell because it's going to have illumination, so you're going to be able to see that better, that footage where it's illuminated at night, as well as it could potentially scare someone off thinking that the doorbell triggered something and you turned that light on. So it's also a deterrent if someone's at your front door that you don't want to be there. This light bulb could automatically turn on once it's connected to your smart doorbell, like a Ring Doorbell 4 or Ring Doorbell Wired, pretty much any of the Ring doorbell lineup. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the settings in here with the Ring smart light bulb. We can turn it on and off in the app right here, or turn it off, but you can also adjust the dimming levels. So this is a fully dimmable light. Now, if you want to, let's make sure we turn this one off while we're doing this. If you want to look at your event history, you can click here and it'll show you when it was turned on and off and all the different times that that happened. Here you can click on schedules and it says schedule your light bulb to turn on and off at certain times of day. So if we click add a light schedule, you can put nighttime, morning, evening, or custom. We're just going to click out of that. It's very intuitive to be able to click that schedule and create one. Here you've got your device health and it's going to tell you what's going on if it's connected to your Wi-Fi bridge and what the Wi-Fi signal is. So we're getting good Wi-Fi through our bridge and with the light bulb, so we're all set there. And then you've got this general settings here. You can change the device name and you can create groups. So if you want to have multiple lights connected together, maybe you've got several of these, you could name it outdoors, and then you could have all your outdoors lights in one group and turn them all on or off at the same time, or have them triggered at the same time. So that is how you set up your Ring smart light bulb. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please give us that thumbs up, subscribe, and click any links below if you want to support us. Thank you.